Hi everyone, it's Lily from the past. I'm currently filming this very heavily pregnant, 2 weeks before my due date, or the date that I actually know I'm having this baby. But you're probably watching this in 2022 because I didn't have time to put this up before having the baby, but I wanted to continue filming the loft renovation and show you guys the progress. And you've probably seen a lot of this on Instagram already, but I really wanted to just kind of wrap it up and keep doing these like renovation videos to show you guys, because a lot of you have said that you find it really interesting. So yeah, I am Lily from the past. So sorry if this is a bit confusing. The last update, I think, finished with me showing you guys all the plasterboard, which is kind of the final thing they put on before they start plastering. And when they start plastering, it really, like, shit gets real. It looks like an actual like room, and the walls are then ready to paint. The plaster's obviously wet, it takes a little time to dry. We've got like dehumidifiers on up there. Quite worried about like the moisture in the air and then the dust the plaster produces. It's all very close to the due date, and like even if I wasn't pregnant, just having Gray in the house, our hallway upstairs is quite small. I don't know, I'm looking forward to this being done. But let me go and show you, because we were out yesterday and they plastered the whole staircase and kind of hallway upstairs, which has really made a difference. It's quite messy. No wonder my sister warned me that we'd have to redecorate the hallway. It all will need painting, like even the banister, I think. So I don't know when that's going to happen. I really don't want the house to be stinking of paint when I've got a newborn baby. I don't know. I'm trying my best to be chilled. You guys know me, I'm not a chilled person. But let me go show you what it's looking like. So as I come up the stairs, you can see that the underneath of the new staircase has all been plastered. So whereas before you could see the actual steps, now it's all one smooth kind of layer surface, and that will all be painted white, so it would just blend in. These holes where they did the electrics have been filled and plastered. And then the ceiling, oh, so out of breath, so pregnant. This has all been plastered. This is all gonna have to be repainted. This is the new staircase, and if I show you up, this has all been plastered. This is where the brick was, plastered all the way up, and you can see the new skylight up there. So this is really exciting, because that means this can all be painted soon. Look, a dry patch. We've got this little dehumidifier here. See if that helps at all. Okay, here's a Saturday morning update for you. We've got 2 weeks to go. The spindles have been fitted, although someone on Instagram pointed out that 2 are upside down. So thank you to whoever said that. We're gonna get them to change them. And I'm gonna head upstairs now because I wanna look at the paint samples on the wall. The windows are being fitted today, which is so exciting because that means it'll be watertight and we can start taking some furniture up there soon. So this is the staircase with the spindles. They're pretty similar to our other ones, not exactly the same, but they'll look fine when they're painted. And I think it's just these two that need turning the right way around. Just checking the paint samples, seeing this is the wall colour, this is the cupboard colour. I'm just seeing what it looks like. It's quite early in the morning, so the light's a bit funny. But I think it's gonna work. Right guys, it's Saturday afternoon. I've snuck upstairs to show you the windows have been fitted. Very exciting. Not fully watertight yet because they've got to do some filling around the edges. But let me show you where it's at. So these are the windows. Obviously it's going to be quite hard to show you because it's so light. But actually, let me stand back. Like I said, we're not doing doors. This one and this one open outwards as windows. And yeah, I think they look really nice. And then in the bathroom, we've got one massive window that's like frosted glass. The top bit opens, so that will let a lot of nice light into here. And I'm really happy with them. Okay, here's a little bit of an update. They have been prepping the hallway today for painting. So we are living, there's like plastic, sheeting, coverings everywhere. This is the staircase. And it's just, the whole staircase is covered. This is kind of crazy. It's gonna smell a lot this week. We might have to move out to my mum's, but I'm not sure if we can. Oh, it's a little bit stressful, but at least the hallway is gonna be painted this week. Okay, 8 days until I have a baby, and I thought I would give you a little loft update. Yesterday when I went up, our carpenter started doing the cupboards and the flooring as well. So I'm going to go upstairs now and I'll do some filming and show you what the flooring is looking like. We went for a laminate in kind of a medium coloured wood, and I think it's starting to look really good. The cupboards have started to be put in. We are using MDF for this because of the sloped back. It's just easier. You can't really buy that in like a set size. So we're going to be doing a mix of shelving, have one rail in there for kind of spare winter coats, and we're also going to make sure that there's like a gap in one of the cupboards at the back so that Rich can crawl in and get to the eaves, which is like the sloped part of the roof where we can store things like Christmas trees, suitcases, any big things that we don't need that often. Also, since going up there yesterday, I've realised that we need to move the lights a little bit to the left, which is one of those things. Until I could really see the space, I didn't really know where those would need to go. So we're just going to see if we can shift those up a bit and add an extra plug socket by my desk. I think the tile is starting today, but the main thing that they're kind of focusing on is painting the hallway outside our bedrooms, because I really want that done before the baby comes. I don't mind if they're still upstairs working on the loft, but we really need our hallway back. So they're kind of focusing on painting the hallway and the banister today, tomorrow and the next day. Okay, so the banister has all been painted now, which makes it feel a lot more normal. It's Farrenball off black, and then the white on the walls is Farrenball Webbit. Like I've said before, we're not doing the carpet on the stairs until next year, so let me take you upstairs. When you get to the top of the stairs, we just need to get a finish here for the wooden floor, but this is wooden floor under here. And then this is our pocket door. Have I shown this before? This is above the stairway. Skylight there, and then there'll also be one here, just hasn't arrived yet. So lots of light into the hallway, which is really nice because we didn't have that before. Sliding pocket door. That is the door. The alcove, is that what it's called? And the skirting has been done. Obviously will all be painted. And then this is the pocket door for the bathroom. So when you look straight ahead, you're going to see the sink. The shower's going to be there. Toilet's there. Now, this bathroom really does not look anywhere near done. I don't believe for a minute it's going to be done in 4 days, but I don't know, sometimes they work fast. The doors still need filling around the edges. I mean the windows, sorry, they've all been installed, but there's gaps around the edges. Under here is the wooden floor, so that's all been done, and now it's been like properly protected all the way around the edges, which is great. We had to move the lights up a little bit, so that's been done. And then over this side of the room, the cupboards have been built. So I'll try and show you kind of what we're having. In that one, we're having a rail for winter coats. Here we're having shelves for storage, and then over in this corner we're having open shelving, because this will be next to my desk. We can have the printer at the bottom and stuff. And then this middle bit that looks open, it's going to have doors, but when you open the doors, it's going to be just open like this. So basically Rich can kind of crawl through here, and we've got all the storage space back here for suitcases and anything we need, as well as the eaves, which we'll put little doors on, where we can put things that we like barely ever use, like Christmas decorations. But it's so much storage, which is perfect, because obviously we used to fill this whole room with stuff. So that's going to look good. I think he's doing the doors this week. That'll be tongue and groove and Farrenball French grey. Actually, these are probably the doors down here. The plug sockets have all gone in now, and the switches. And that's kind of all I've got to update you on today. Morning everyone, I thought I'd quickly update you on the loft. It's the last Sunday before I have a baby. So that means, and Sundays is the only day they don't work. So it's the only day I can really go up there and chat. So this is the last like proper update before I have a baby. I'll try to take some more clips throughout the week. So they have 4 days left. It's not gonna happen, it's really not gonna happen, but I know they'll do as much as they can. And to be honest, if they're up there whilst we've got a baby, it's not the end of the world. I'm not mad keen on the painting happening while we've had a new baby here, but hopefully that'll be done before. And as long as the hallway's done, that's the best that we can do in this situation. But I am really excited. Things have sped up and there's lots going on. So the hallway's been painted now, and the banister, which makes it look a lot more like our house again. I have a feeling the banister might need a second coat. I'm not 100% sure. The floor is all still covered, and I can't wait for that flooring to come up, because in the middle of the night when I go to the toilet, I'm like tripping up all over the place, and it just makes it feel more dusty and gross. So looking forward to the hallway being finished, and then I'll show you what upstairs currently looks like. The list of things that need to be done, let me just get the list. so you have an idea. Okay, so they need to build the cupboard doors, they need to paint the cupboards inside and the doors, they need to build the stud wall in the bathroom and install things like the toilet, the sink, the shower, paint the entire loft room, fill around the edges of the windows. They need to install all the lighting in the hallway and the loft room and install the remaining roof skylight. So there's a lot left to do. I don't think it's going to happen this week. They think it is, so good luck to them. They've been great though, our builders. I'm so happy with them. It's just funny timing. Literally having a baby in 4 days, it feels wild. But I'm excited to see what happens this week, and I'll vlog as much as I can. Okay, one more check-in to show you some more progress. The hallway is pretty much done. Banister is done. It looks like it has always been here, which is really exciting. It's kind of hard to show you. Let me see if I step back. This is what it looks like. And they've put the lights back in. Just need to fill that hole. There was a bit of a mistake. They put them in a line instead of like a circle like that. Also, if we go up the stairs, you can see one of the maid lights is up. I bought these from a lovely viewer because the maid delivery time was crazy. And she bought them and didn't want them, so I just bought them from her. There's one at the top of the stairs as well. Today they're sanding and painting the main room. But let me just show you in the bathroom. The stud wall's gone in. We're actually having it made a little bit higher. This is where the sink and the toilet will go. And then a little niche has been made for the shower area. So apparently this room is being tiled today, which I'm very much looking forward to. Right guys, it's time for me to end this video. There's actually, it slowed down a bit in the last couple of days, which was a little bit frustrating. But today there's quite a few guys here, and I think they're planning on kind of getting the bathroom going because there's a lot to do in there. They're raising the stud wall, they're kind of doing the niche in the shower, and then they can start plasterboarding and tiling and doing the underfloor heating and stuff. So I actually think a lot of changes will happen today, but by the time they leave, it'll be too dark for me to vlog up there. And I'm having a baby tomorrow, literally tomorrow. So I don't know if we're gonna like pause the builders. I think we're gonna just let them carry on. Because the roof's all done, they have to come through the house, which is a bit weird, but I'm just gonna see what happens and see how I feel. I just want to get the room done. So I'm not going to be able to show you any more updates in this video. I can't believe I'm having a baby tomorrow. And I think the next time I show you the loft, I might just do like a finished, because I'm not going to be able to show the progress. I won't be able to walk up the stairs after a C-section for the next week probably. Let's see, I reckon the next loft video will probably be like the finished thing, which is a bit of a shame because this is like the fun bit. I like showing the tiles going down and stuff, but you know, timings didn't really work out. But I hope you've enjoyed this progress video at least, and there will be more. And thanks for watching. Bye.